Good morning. I am going to wash my hair. Finally, it's been a little ridiculous. I've been saying I'm gonna wash my hair for like 2 weeks. And because I've been vlogging, almost every vlog you hear me say, I'll wash my hair, and I never do. And I'm already feeling like I don't want to do it today. Gosh. Natural hair wash day is a pain. But anyway, so I'm just plaiting them up, and then I'm just gonna walk into the shower immediately. I feel like hot crap. But it's gonna be worse before it gets better, so let's just do this and hopefully that can be done fairly soon. This one up a little buck, so I'm gonna do it down some more. Once it gets wet and the curls start popping back in, they'll hold a little bit better. But yeah, so just do some big plaits and they will get wet and shrink like this, and then I'll scoop and then comb through the sections. If I don't do this, it is a harrowing experience because the hair shrink off and it get, you know, tangled and thick and mess. So this is the best way, and I'm going to do it and come back. Okay, so it's been a few hours. The hair is washed and now it is dry because I laid down with a towel over it, but I'm going to dry it right now. If I wait any longer, I'm gonna have to wet it again before I can get it properly stretched in order to dry it. So I'm gonna do that, and when you see me again, I should have dried hair. So before I get started, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you what I'm using. I have this sulfur anti-dandruff spray. I'm going to spray this on my scalp to control the flakes. This helps a lot. I bought this in Jamaica, so I don't know if it's something that you can get here, but probably in like the Caribbean store or something. But this is really great for that. And then the next thing I'm going to use is this. The buckle's so cute, but this Tree Infra Keratin Mist. Gonna spray that on. It's treatment, leave-in strengthening treatment. And then I'm going to go with my Chi 44 Iron Guard. This is heat protectant, and then a tiny bit of this smooth keratin smooth serum. It's supposed to help with the frizz. And yeah, that's what I do to get my hair straight. Well, as straight as possible when I blow dry it, and then we'll see if I get to the straightening part of it. I don't know. But my bathroom is really smoky right now. That's because this is going. So this is my second one of these. I had a paddle brush before, and this is my second one of these. And if you remember, I've been raving about it, about how good it is and how, you know, it works really well for a household with 3 natural people in it. However, exactly 1 year, like you can see this is what it is like. It takes a little longer, it smokes a lot more, and you could just hear it. The motor is not as strong. And so it's been like 1.5 years now that I've had this, and it really, I could hear the chip of when the motor started lessening, like the intensity of the motor lessened, and that was around the 1 year mark. So I'm disappointed, and I was going to write a review on my blog about the paddle one that I had. It might even still be here, I don't know. I'm going to do a review on both of them. I'm just gonna do them together, or maybe separately, but I like the product, I really do. I just don't like how short-lived they are, and so I find it really difficult now to like spend another $40-$50 on another one of these, and then I'm gonna be out a blow dryer again in another year. And so I've been sort of thinking, what sort of blow dryer do I buy? Do I need a more expensive one? I've seen a couple online. The more expensive ones, they run like $400 and up. And baby, I don't, it's this, the dynamics, the aerodynamics of this, like the feel, it's so good. It's so easy to use. I do have a Tresemme that is really good. The problem I have with the Tresemme is that it has that traditional blow dryer shape, and I find it difficult to maneuver. And the comb on the end doesn't really stay. So you can put a comb attachment on it, but then it falls off, and I have really thick hair, and especially when it's wet, it's gonna tangle. And so I need something that's going to stay with me through the detangling process of that. And I found that a blow dryer with a comb attachment is not the right fit for that. So what do? I'm in the market for a new blow dryer, is what it's safe to say, because like I said, it gets really smoky and it sets off a fire alarm in my house. So I really can't blow dry my hair inside the house without opening a window. And even when it's -30s, -40s, you know how that can be annoying. And so the smoking as well, it didn't used to happen before. Right around that 1 year mark where things start to get, then it starts to get smoky. And I really hate that. So I'm in the market for a blow dryer, but that was my little rant. Go ahead and finish this up. So in here it's really smoky, but it's getting better. And the hair is dry, washed and dried. That is a win. That is a win. If it takes me another 3 days to straighten it, or if I never do, I'll be all right. Maybe I should just corner weights and start where to read them. I don't know. We'll see.
We're trying a Christmas tradition. Get yourself to see the train. This is probably the closest now. Alright, for the car. Get a little view of the stage.